So welcome back to the Half Thumb Homestead. I put a new dishwasher in and I did not change out the compression line. So it's probably recommended after 16 years you change this out. It's leaking at the dishwasher and underneath the sink at the fitting. I'm going to try and replace it without pulling the dishwasher out because it was such a pain in the butt to put in. I've got this little compression fitting here. I'm going to use just a threaded portion, thread into here. I'm not going to smoke it down too much, just to make it snug, and then I'm going to tighten it to that one and hopefully pull it all the way through. We'll see if this works. So on the old line, I'm going to put in that fitting I took off the compression, 3/8 compression fitting. I was able to remove the rubber O-ring inside this here line. I don't know if they sell these or not. It would sure be easier just to change these out. But just going to thread that in there. I'm not going to smoke it down much, but I'm going to tighten it because I know this line, because it's all coiled, it's going to twist a little bit. The hope is I can attach this guy to here and then just pull it through. Holy crap, it actually worked. That's pretty amazing. So there's the new line right here. All I gotta do is disconnect and connect it and I should be good to go. AKA should be. It's all plugged in. Water's turned on and not leaking. So we're gonna give it a run. And that about does it. So any questions? If there's anything you want to see that homeowners typically have problems with, I'd be more than happy to tackle that. So drop me a message. Half Thumb Homestead out.